There's nothing to see here. Leave this video right now. I didn't murder anyone. Get it out of here. Get out of here.
I'm a money magnet, draped in designer. I stay high fashion. Tissue Bushi, know I'm high maintenance.
No, I'm just playing this me. That's probably how I would be if I was like a Spider-Man villain. Like, yeah, y'all should just like, you know what I'm saying, make a whole movie about me. Y'all can call me like Big Boss or something. And then like, I could be saving girls from like lame dudes or something. And then like, I can rip off my turtleneck into another turtleneck, jump out the window, and I save women. But that's probably for another video. Right now, y'all know I'm coming here with another unboxing. What if I just like cut my cologne open doing that? Alright, as y'all know, bring y'all another unboxing video. And we're gonna make this quick and easy. Nice and greasy. I mean, looking like, bro, you get a lot of packages. Hey, man. Ooh, look at this. I got Azzaro Wanted and Azzaro Wanted Tonic. You feel me? So now this why this video is gonna be so good, because it's like I did everything I was supposed to do in life. It came to this type of stuff. Yeah. Like y'all doubted me, or I think maybe y'all didn't. Maybe y'all love me, but like the haters doubted me. I'm not gonna say I'm the first person, but all four. Hold on, what is this? They keep giving me exceptional, man. Man, what is that? It's like the 80th one I got. Like, oh, really know. I got another wine voucher. I got so many of these wine vouchers. I think I could probably get like free wine for life or something. All right, let me take out this warming. Yep. Check this out. Oh, they taped together. Okay then. All right. Let me go get the other boxes and then we can do like, if I don't break nothing. Hold on. Let me get the other boxes. I'll go right back. I'm back. All right, look, check this out, y'all. Y'all know I had that. I just got that Azzaro the Most Wanted. I also bought the Azzaro Wanted Tonic for the girl. Now I got the Azzaro Wanted Tonic. And now I got the original Azzaro Wanted. So let's go ahead and open this up. This is what the box looked like before. Ooh, Butterfingers. Oh, I'm so excited. So excited! That's smart, that's smart. That's smart. I'm turned. It's like, that's really a revolver. Like, they knew what they was doing. It's like this outlaw fragrance. Ooh, me Jesus. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see what this smells like. You know it's new when you spray it one time and it don't come out. Look at that. There we go. You can tell Azzaro Wanted did what Paco Rabanne did. Come out with an OG, come out with like a Privé, come out with like a, yeah. Ooh, woo, that smells good. What color is this? This can go with these. So many colognes on that shelf. I got to get me some more shelves. All right, let's talk about this Wanted Tonic. So they said this like a fresh version of Azzaro or something like that. Let's talk about it. Peanut, man. Stop scraping up the carpet. Oh, damn. Anyway. Same thing. Take it out. It's blue. Let's see what this smells like. It's new. Uh-oh. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so check this out, y'all. I got oops. I got every Azzaro Wanted, okay? I got every Azzaro Wanted in my hands. And I just smelt them, so just if I was gonna like put them in order from least to greatest, I'll do it like this. So it'll be like this one in fourth place, Wanted, the regular one, in third place. Azzaro's the most wanted in second place, and I think a Wanted by Night is in first place. That's my opinion. But I have all of them. Got the whole collection. Oh, and I also got the little girl bottle. I'll talk about that later. But this is the concluded video. I just wanted to show y'all all my Azzaros. I'm gonna come out with some before you buys with these, and I know y'all already probably seen these. So this is Big Boss, man. I ain't got nothing else to show y'all, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I can't do the peace sign, but meow.
I'm serving, I'm selling that cake. Fuck all the talking and fuck all the talking and fuck all the walking. Got money to make. Fuck on a bitch and I don't do a date. Came off the streets and I'm paving my way. Yeah, you on top, but I'm counting your days. Yeah, you on top, but I'm counting your days. Came to the party with no gun. Left the party with a